So today's visit, we're going to start you on the sound table. And so come on in. So this table actually has speakers under it. So I want you to lay down with your head up here and your ankles down here. And I can take your hat and set it right here. So you want to move down until your ankles are into this spot. So we're going to do this chi machine. The chi machine wiggles you back and forth and helps align the spine and gets the lymph and circulation moving. And then these are infrared domes. So they are going to actually go over you. Are you okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm turning these on. And this also helps improve your circulation. You get to just get cozy and comfortable. And then I'm turning the music on. So enjoy.